next target is the serial killer everyone's been talking about. He appears at night and decapitates people seemingly at random. Right now, the number of victims is unknown.
I'm pretty sure a third of the people he killed were guards. Must be strong. No doubt about it. Definitely sounds like Henry Sonku's work. Who's Sonku?
Wow, you really are from the sticks, aren't you? Sorry, but I don't think I've ever heard of him either.
Seriously, you probably just forgot, Shell.
Okay, so what's so terrible about this guy anyway?
It's worse than you can imagine. Headhunter Zanku used to be the executioner at the biggest prison in the Empire. The minister orders a lot of decapitations. Over and over, day in and day out. And one by one, Zanku chopped off their heads as they begged for their lives. Over the years, it became an addiction. And now he can't stop.
Drive anyone crazy.
And eventually killing prisoners wasn't enough anymore, so he took it to the street.
Zanku disappeared shortly after a subjugation force was organized to catch him. I never thought he would turn up in this city.
What are we waiting for? Let's take this bastard out!
Oh, easy, Tiger.
Yeah, but
Zanku's also equipped with an Imperial arms he stole from the Warden a few years ago. We'd better travel in teams of two, in case it's a rough ride.